Hey folks, this is Mr. Schutzline from North Penn High School. This is my Google training, and great training. I really loved it. I like being a leader in education. And I went on a honeymoon, got married in October, and if you notice, I actually copied this down. I actually took a picture of the ground speed so we could do some calculations. Here's our tailwind, and then you can see the air temperature, negative 45 degrees. I honeymoon in Buenos Aires, and here we have my little cheat sheet on the pesos, little conversion chart to help me out. And then next, I started my Google Classroom. Sorry, I got a little bit of a cold. Actually love Google Classroom. You can see all my classes in it. And I even made one for the wrestling team right here. So I put out announcements to my wrestlers. Here's our districts that are coming up this weekend. But use it quite a bit. Now, being on a honeymoon, I was away for 5 days, so I had to have all these lessons planned. And I did a lot of videos. You can see all these videos here. And this was my geometry class. I used Edpuzzle a lot. Found it to be very helpful, and it was helpful to the kids. I also use GoGuardian quite a bit so that when I give a work day, I expect the kids to work, and maybe Johnny's mom comes back and says, hey, where's the, how come my son's getting an F? Well, I could pull up these dates and see what he was doing on his computer. I also do Cahoots with my classes. I found that beneficial, kind of a change of pace as well. And I really like the Screencast-O-Matic because I can arrange it to the size I want. And I can also pull in other objects. That's real helpful for me. So that's what I've been doing with the Google Classroom. Absolutely love it. And again, like I said, I like being a leader and being ahead of everyone else. All right, thanks folks. And check out my wiki site, although that's going away soon. Make Math Easy. And a lot of great information on there and other math videos. My YouTube site, you can look up Robert Schutzline. I actually have 2 of them. Robert Schutzline has the math sites on it, as well as Schutz Master, and that also has some math sites on it. So thanks a lot, folks. I really enjoyed the Google, everything Google and Classrooms with Rich Kiker.